ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಟ ಹೋರಾಟ, ಗಂಟ ಹೋರಾಟ.
Here at the Mercer Bank Circle regarding the protest of the farmers, regarding the bill of farmers 2020 bill. With us we have Mohan Dasari Saab from Aam Aadmi Party. Sir, welcome to the program. What are you here for, and can you please explain our viewers what this is all about in your words?
Yeah, the policies what Narendra Modi government has come up, right? It is not farm reforms. These are all biggest land grabbing scams in going to be the future. When you talk about contract farming, the private companies will give you all the, whether it's a seeds or a fertilizer or everything with a contract. When the people are not able to grow, and they will acquire the lands, and this is going to be the biggest land grabbing scam in the history of the India. And when we talk about MSP, if you don't have a MSP, how come a farmer will sell their products? We will be always with the farmers in this protest.
इकट्ठा क्यों हुए हैं और आप लोग क्या चाह रहे हैं?
हम आज इसीलिए आए हैं, किसान लोगों का जो कुछ भी अन्याय हो रहा है केंद्र सरकार में, उसके लिए हम किसान लोगों को न्याय दिलवाने के लिए आया है। आज जो कुछ भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर मिस्टर मोदी जो कुछ भी किसान लोगों के साथ अन्याय कर रहा है वो ठीक नहीं है, और हम जिंदा रहे या मर जाए, हम किसान लोगों के तरफ हम न्याय दिलवाने के लिए लड़ेंगे, हमेशा लड़ता रहेंगे। कब तक नहीं मिलेगा न्याय, तब तक हम लड़ते रहेंगे।
Sir, what do you think will be the impact of this protest? And it has come to a point where who will blink first, the farmers or the government? So in that case, what will be your next strategy?
See, we need entire country to stand with the farmer, Annadata, right? It has to be a one more India against corruption movement has to happen, and these new laws has to be taken back. And if they're not ready to taken back, people will come on the ground. People will do a Vidhan Sabha chalo, Lok Sabha chalo, all possible protests will be done by the people. So there are big protests are going to be planned in the coming days if the central government is not doing this.
Are the farmers and the supporters willing to go till the last mile to achieve what they have set out for?
This time, yes. Every farmer in India, they are going to any level to stop these policies to come into effect.
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈತರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಮ್ ಆದ್ಮಿ ಪಕ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತ ಹೋರಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.